Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj was born at Purandar Fort. The second ruler of Maratha Empire and the eldest son of Shivaji, Sambhaji Bhosle, was born on 14 May 1657 at Purandar Fort near Pune. In 1678, Shivaji kept Sambhaji imprisoned at Panhala Fort to curtail his bad and irresponsible behavior. Unlike his father, however, Sambhaji permitted his soldiers to plunder and loot the conquered regions. H.D. Deve Gowda elected leader of the Third Front in Lok Sabha. H.D. Deve Gowda was elected as the leader of the Third Front today. He became the Prime Minister of India in 1996 on behalf of the United Front. He was the 11th Prime Minister of India and the 14th Chief Minister of Karnataka. He served as the Prime Minister in the year 1996 to 1997 and Chief Minister in the year 1994 to 1996. He contested for the Karnataka State Assembly elections for the first time in 1962. Israel declares independence from British administration. On May 14, 1948, the British state of Israel was proclaimed as British rule in Palestine came to an end. From 1517 to 1917, Israel, along with much of the Middle East, was ruled by the Ottoman Empire. The British controlled Palestine until Israel, in the years following the end of the World War II, became an independent state in 1947. Louis XIV becomes King of France at age 4. When the Francis King Louis XIII died at the age of 41 on May 14, 1643, the monarchy passed to his eldest child Louis XIV, who was all of just 4 years and 8 months old. Louis XIV was 15 years old at the time of his coronation in 1654, but he did not wield absolute power over France until 7 years later. After the death of Louis XIV, history repeated itself as his 5-year-old great-grandson Louis XV succeeded him. US performs nuclear test at Pacific Ocean. The isolated Marshall Islands are a diverse paradise, a coral-lined home to 53,000 people and the site of the most devastating nuclear test the US ever conducted. From 1946 to 1958, it became the site of US Pacific Proving Grounds, a show of post-World War II force to the world. Today, scientists still warn islanders not to visit certain groups of islands like the Bikini Atoll, where the nuclear tests were once conducted.